Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to cancel AVG antivirus subscription. So guys, all you have to do is scroll down to see this option, manage subscription. Click on manage your subscription, and then after that click on manage subscription here. After that guys, look for this option, manage subscription, and then guys, all you have to do, click on this option and subscription. Guys, as you can see here, click on and subscription, and then guys, all you have to do, choose this option, choose and subscription, and then click on this option and subscription. From here, choose these details, choose the details why you want to delete and subscription. For example, I need to, it is too expensive or something like this, and click continue. And if you have this method guys, you can also click confirm and finish your subscription. It is easy steps guys. Just go to your manage subscription and click see subscription from here, and then click on cancel your subscription, and then confirm your cancellation process. I hope guys this video helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video for more content.